Who is that man?
That's the man who sings like Elvis.
What is this?
This is the gift which I bought for my wife.
Where does he live?
I don't know where he lives.
What did they do yesterday?
They didn't tell me what they did yesterday.
When will she travel?
She doesn't know exactly when she's going to travel.
Who is that woman?
She is the woman whose husband works as a reporter.
Where did they go last week?
I think that they went to the beach.
What did he tell you?
He told me that he bought a new car.
Why did he yell at her?
I don't know why he did it.
What book did you read?
The book which I read is a bestseller.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.